In a rapidly changing era, the demand for efficient, renewable energy is more urgent than ever. How can we more intelligently harness nature to create a better future? With more than 10 years of manufacturing expertise, Cikoton delivers internationally compliant, comprehensive solutions for hot water, heating, cooling, drying, and precise humidity control. From luxury residential heating to large-scale industrial and agricultural applications, our precision engineering and commitment to excellence empower diverse sectors with superior performance and efficiency. As a direct manufacturer, we provide not just high-quality products, but also flexible and professional OEM and ODM services for global partners. Cikoton, driven by innovation, we partner globally to unlock air energy's full potential, empowering smart business futures with intelligent renewable energy, comfort made zero carbon.